My name is Leo Lopez, and I'm going to be talking to you about the Antarctic animals that adapt to the harshly cold climates. Antarctica is located on the south pole of the Earth and is 5.4 million square miles and is the coldest climate on Earth. Negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit is the coldest recorded temperature, and 63.5 degrees Fahrenheit is the warmest measured at the Esperanza Base on the Antarctic Peninsula. The animals that inhabit Antarctica must adapt to the extremely harsh climates. Most mammals in the area adapt to the harsh, cold climates due to their thick fur, and water-based mammals adapt to the freezing temperatures of the water due to the thick cells of fat called blubber, and it keeps them warm in the water. Their camouflage also helps them in the Arctic, as most have white fur, but some animals like penguins have black or gray and white to help them blend with the rocks and darker area around their environment. Although white does help them blend in, dominating species like wolves, walruses, foxes, and wolverines do not need this type of camouflage due to their elite hunting skills. The mammals that inhabit Antarctica are the polar bear, Antarctic wolves, Arctic foxes, Arctic hares, reindeers, walruses, whales, and narwhals. Types of birds that are found on the continent are Arctic tern, Arctic owls, gulls, snow buntings, and falcons. The animals that live in the ocean in the Antarctica are polar bears, walruses, Greenland sharks, zooplankton, and seals. The most common Arctic food chain goes from Arctic moss or algae that grows along ice or on the bottom, and then is eaten by Arctic shrimp or krill, and then in turn is eaten by trout, cod, or salmon, which is either eaten by polar bears and ring seals, but if it is eaten by a ring seal, a polar bear can also kill and eat a ringed seal. The types of species of penguins that are found on the Antarctic Circle are the emperor penguin. It's the most popular species and is the only species to breed during the winter. You see them mostly dominating the Antarctic Peninsula of Antarctica. The next most common type of penguin you see is the Adélie penguin, and parents usually leave their chicks for short periods of time of up to 3 weeks. This is to help them adapt and learn how to swim in the Arctic Ocean and live on their own. The next penguin is the chinstrap penguin. They have 2 chicks per mating season only, and they are the second smallest penguin population in the Antarctic Circle. The next and probably most famous is the macaroni penguin. They have yellow hair that comes out of the top of their head. That's where they get their name from, and they have an estimated population of about 12 million. Same as the emperor penguin. They're the second most populated, and they breed during the winter as well. The largest size penguin that's in the Antarctica is the king penguin, and they take about 14 months to breed their chicks. And then the smallest penguin on the continent and in population and size is the Gentoo penguin, but their population of only 300,000 exists, and it takes 3 months for chicks to be on their own. Because they're the smallest penguins on the Antarctic Circle, their parents like to shelter them and keep them by their side. That way they can learn within those 3 months to survive in the Arctic Circle. In conclusion, the Antarctic Circle has the harshest climate on Earth. So these animals that live here, they're special on the Earth because their camouflage and their hunting abilities help them survive in these climates.